Hi everyone, it's Miss Dutta, and I just wanted to go over what proper independent reading practices should look like when you're working on your reading log. So let's say I'm reading this book, I'm using Epic, and I'm reading the paragraph, but there was Grandpa, disgustingly calm, sitting beside me with his black beret still on his head, smiling at me every now and then, and each time I gave him my best fake smile back, his earbuds in and music pumping out of them. So let's say I'm trying to define an unknown word for the vocabulary log, and I don't know what beret means. So box that says word and syllables. How do I find out how many syllables this word has? Well, if you're looking up the word, for example, on Epic, you can click on a word that you don't know. I see it's separated into two syllables, beret. It's separated with the dot, so beret, beret, two syllables. So I'd write 2 in the syllables box. Now, part of speech. Any dictionary, whether you look it up on Google or whether it's in the book you're reading online, it'll tell you right under the where it breaks down the syllables. So you see here, it says that beret is a noun. So I would write noun, or if I want to abbreviate it and make it shorter, I could just write N. That's the abbreviation for noun. So definition. What does it say here? Beret. A soft, flat wool cap without a visor. So I would write down a soft wool cap without a visor. So that's pretty simple. And then you go on to the point of view part. So you don't have to do these at the same time. You can work on one, work on the other, or go back and forth. And so the book I'm reading, the title of the book is Separated. So that's what I put here, book or chapter title, Separated. And point of view. So based on that sentence I read, but there was Grandpa, disgustingly calm, sitting beside me with his black beret still on his head, smiling at me every now and then, and each time I gave him my best fake smile back, his earbuds in and music pumping out of them. So I'm seeing me, I'm seeing my, I'm seeing I. Those are all words that help me know that this is first person. Actually, let me use a different color. Of course. We'll use pink. So that's how I know this is first person point of view. So how do I know what point of view is used? You don't have to make your answer super long. It can even be something as simple as they use the pronoun me. And I also noticed that they use the pronoun I. So select 2 quotes from the book that clearly show this point of view. Explain what information is given to you about characters and events from this point of view. So that paragraph I just read, that's from page 5. So write quote number 1 from I write down page 5. And the quote, I typed it up already just to save time. I'm going to put it right here, but there was Grandpa, disgustingly calm, sitting beside me with his black beret still on his head, smiling at me every now and then, and each time I gave him my best fake smile back. So what did you learn about the characters or events from this quote? So based on the words like disgustingly, smiling at me, and each time I gave him my best fake smile back, it sounds like the narrator does not like his grandpa. So it can just be a sentence or two. It doesn't have to be anything terribly long. But then you would repeat that with a second quote. So yeah, I think it's pretty simple, but I just wanted to make this video to clarify, clear up any confusion. But of course, if you have any questions, you can speak to me in class or send me a message on Class Dojo or Google Classroom. Hope this helps.